A lot of the programs that we offer to the community are really to expose youth to the waste issue that we have in this county, but from a solution-based perspective and from a creative perspective.
On our education side, we have a gallery space that we run, encouraging artists to upcycle and elevate those materials. We do field trips and workshops to the public. We have an after-school program, touches over 1,000 kids throughout the county. In order to be more thoughtful in how we relate to our environment, we have to be creative problem solvers. We have to see the world a little bit differently. If we just keep doing what we're doing, it's not working. So creativity is such a big part of making those correct decisions.
I think kids these days are filled with iPads and technology and, what game is up on the screen next. So coming here, it allows them to completely disconnect from that.
How do we turn education into action, insights into action, so that we still have a beautiful planet?
Basically, we're just trying to get people to think before they buy. Sometimes that involves research. Sometimes it involves being like, do I really need this object? That's the first question someone needs to ask themselves. Like, do I need this, or can I find something I already have to make it work? Or borrow something from a friend.
It's a global problem. To some people might think, hey, who cares what I do? If everyone doesn't think like that and everyone starts thinking, I can make a change. Just you making one little change can cause other people to change, and will overall amass multiple people to make this change.
It's little teeny steps that can lead to something bigger.
The final product isn't really the goal, it's the process. So for Resource Depot programming, it is much about the process, and it's much about the why.
We're trying to raise generations of people who are real environmental stewards. Have you ever thought about where your cotton shirt comes from, or what happens when you give up your cotton shirt, right? So we're trying to create a community of those stewards to be actively thinking about it. Of course, we're not thinking about it all the time, but if you can take simple actions in your day, really weave in that sustainable sort of culture into the fabric of who you are, that to me would be serving our mission and really driving our community forward.